What is the most effective way to get rid of a fear? Fears. We all have fears. And you know that fears can destroy anything. Creativity, financial, your relationship, your life, and the most important, you. It can destroy you. But the great news is you can use your bravery for cure. If you want to be safe from fear, use your bravery for cure. If you want to be safe from fear. So I have an example. One of my best friends since 5th grade. We haven't met for a long time. He was scared of everything. When I say everything, he is even scared of like natural thing, just natural thing like eating, human activities, drinking or something like that. He is scared. He's scared that he somehow gonna get killed. He was scared of everything, and I think the thing that he is scared of the most is his crush. His fear of his crush is, I remember the time where me and him was beside her, and maybe she was just accidentally dropped the pencil, and he was about to pick the pencil, and right away he starts to freak out. Like he was like, dude, what do I do? She's Persian. What do I do, bro? I said like, no, bro, she's just picking up the pencil, bro. No, she's Persian to me. What do I do? But like, how do I talk? What do I do? How do I look? Do I look at her? What do I do? Nah, bro, she is just picking up the pencil. Nah, bro, no, bro. And at that time in the conversation, I can see him sweaty. He is sweating freaking like he was just like the Pacific Ocean. He was that scared. And so I was surprised when I heard the news about him like 1 month ago that he is in a relationship with the girl now. Like how is that even possible? How is that a thing? How did he overcome his fear? We all have fear. We usually don't know how to face the fear, but how did he do that? So yesterday when I met him, after like we say hellos and everything, like I say to him, hey, I heard a news about you. You are in a relationship with the girl. How did you manage to overcome the fear? How did you do it? Well, I just exactly copy what the guy who don't have fear would do. Yeah, but how did you say it? Like, how is that even possible? You were scared, right? Like, aren't you scared of everything? I mean, like, yeah, I was scared of everything, but I tried to be not scared. So how does that work? Well, one day we was just going to the pagoda along with the other friends, and at that day I have told one of my best friends that I'm gonna say it to her today, that I have decided to tell it. And that friend called the other friends and her friends to somewhere, and he made a scenario for me to talk, for me to say it now. And I know that I have to take action. I have to do it now. But, well, as you know, I was a scary little boy. She was paying homage beside me, and I was beside her, paying homage too. But in my mind, bro, there is conflict between each of these minds. Okay, I've recently read a technique in a book to face the fear, and I still even have the fear. In my mind, like there's two minds. Like one is like I can do this. Like I have to take action. I've read book too. I can use the technique. No, you will still fail. That technique will not work. No, yes, it will work. It will work. I have promised myself I will do this. No, you will fail. No, I cannot fail. I have experience. What's experience? You don't have any experience. You will still fail if you have experience. No, I have promised myself. What you have promised myself, if you even have promised yourself, you will still fail. No, I will not fail. I can do this. And in that between, he knows that he can take action. He knows that he starts to take action now. So he slowly moved his hand, but his hands were shaking as fuck, like it's like BMW or something like that. He slowly touched her. He slowly touched her with his shaky hands. He's not even pat her. He's just like touch her. And she replied, what?
No tambo de tell this. I love his stuff.
I love you too, since the start.
Yeah, that's how it was. That's how it was. Yeah. I I just said to myself that I'm not scared, and I just exactly copy. I just exactly do it. I just took the action. You serious? Yeah, mate. Yeah. I'm serious. I can't believe it. So he was that scared and he managed to overcome the fear. So whenever you see a fear, we all have fear, right? What do you have fear about? What are you scared about? Maybe you have feared about going to the bedroom because maybe some ghosts will appear and kill you. So yeah, you have that fear and you start to take action. You have to take action now. Like say to yourself, I'm not scared, I am not scared, and just go to the bedroom and think about the thing what the guy who don't have fear would do in that situation. Maybe he would dance to the ghost. Maybe he do this. Maybe he like wow, or something like that. That might sound dumb, but it will work. Okay, it will make you stronger. And for tomorrow, maybe you have feared about talking to people, right? Maybe just go up to a girl and talk about everything. Just say like, how's the weather, or wow, it's raining or something. That might sound dumb too, but it will work. It will make you stronger. You just have to take action. For your month, maybe you have an exam, right? Maybe you have an exam and you can exactly copy what the guy would do in that situation. Maybe he will study freaking hard. Maybe he would not even sleep. Just do this. Just copy it. Okay, just take action. Maybe for your life you don't have any purpose for now. Maybe your purpose is finding purpose. You know, sometimes your purpose is finding the purpose. Attending class, read a book, do it. Just take action. Just don't freaking say like, oh my god, I can do this and that and this and that. Don't give excuses. Just do it. You know that you can do it now. You know that you can take action now. Whenever you are scared of something, just say to yourself that you are not scared. I am not scared. I am not scared. I am not scared. And just do what the guy who don't have any fear would do. Just exactly copy him. Take action now. Don't want to wear the Yahoo long. 1, 2, 3 sama bạn đó. Mấy địa bụng mà đi. Oh no, ow mà đi.
Oh, I forgot the owl part because I'm so pretty.
Ê à, hả? Nó không phải mà nghe được. Thì sao vậy?